Hey guys, it's Angie. I want to show you how I can turn $7 into 25 times that in just under 30 minutes shopping at Crazy Cazboys. If you are new here, this is my channel, Angie Resells. I appreciate you stopping by. I have been selling on eBay for over 20 years and I shop at a lot of different places and I show you how to make a profit on eBay. Earlier this week, Crazy Cazboys was having their $1 sale. If you follow my channel, you know I've been sick. So I sent my daughters, who are not big shoppers, let me tell you, but they know enough and have been around me enough to go into Crazy Cazboys and check it out for 30 minutes and see what they could find. I was pretty proud of them. They only came out with 7 items this week, but every single one of them is going to make a great profit, and let me show you what we got. The first item that they got was this little thing right here. Now my girls knew this was a winner because we've had this before. It's a PSO right. Doesn't look like much, does it? But this actually, we bought it for $1 and I have now sold 3 of these for $49.99. They are tension massage trigger points and this is the full-size one. They are at Crazy Cazboys all the time. No one has a clue what they are. The thing they found was this Hunter ceiling mount. It's for an angled ceiling. Now, I guess they picked this up because they knew Hunter brand ceiling fans are expensive. So we got this for $1 and we have it listed for $24.95. The next item that they picked up is something we always pick up, which are replacement filters. This is Germ Guardian. It's a HEPA C filter, new in the box. Box is a little damaged as you can see, but inside it's sealed. We listed this and already sold it in one day for $29.99. Not bad. It was also new in the box, but the box has some damage. We also already sold this after listing it one day. We already sold this one for right around $30. Scrubs is not normally something that I picked up, but the girls picked this up and I thought it was interesting because it was actually a scrubs, but it is a lab coat. Even I was a little surprised by this one. It's selling for $32.95. This item here tells me that my kids have been paying attention to me for a long time. This is the next thing that they picked up. I always say pick up parts because you just never know what they go to. What this is, if you can see, it is the remote control for a hospital bed. Well, guess what, guys? I already sold this. $43.85. Sold in 24 hours. The last thing they picked up was this, which is amazing. How did no one pick this up? This is a vacuum head. Now, anytime you find vacuum parts, I always pick those up because they sell. But this one here looked kind of unique and a brand I never heard of. So if you haven't heard of the brand, that's always a good one to look up. I found out that Newtone is actually a central vacuum system. So only in like the wealthy people houses do they have these. And it looks in amazing condition. It looks like it was gently used. Even though this was gently used and returned for whatever reason, I listed it for $89.99 because a new one is selling on eBay for almost $200. Amazing deal. So as I said, my daughters picked up those 7 items and it took them under 30 minutes in Crazy Cazboys. They are not fans of shopping, but they know what I'm looking for. For those items, we expect to sell them for $286.59. So let's talk about actual profit. The cost of goods for these are $7, $1 a piece. I expect the eBay fees to be $42.99, and that includes the standard 12% eBay fee as well as my promoted listing fees. And then I estimated shipping because each one of these items I have listed as free shipping. So the total shipping will be $49.50. So that leaves us still with a grand total profit of $187.10. I can say that these items were super easy to list. It took me less than an hour to figure out what they were because they were for the first time that I was seeing them, take the pictures and list them in under an hour for a total profit of right about $187. With our estimated $187, that's over a 26% return on investment. That's mighty good. Okay, so that's it. You can easily, with under $10 in your pocket, turn it into $187 in a short amount of time. Guys, I listed these yesterday and 3 of my items have already sold. So you could be well in the profit on item number 1 and then be ready to go shopping for more items. So don't be afraid to look for those low dollar items because you just never know what you can find. There's always going to be a diamond in the rough somewhere if you look hard enough. And these are just the diamonds that my girls found for me this week. If you like sourcing videos, make sure you check out this video right here. If you enjoyed this content, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And hey, if you're new here and you like this kind of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. And if you want to be notified the next time that I am on YouTube, hit the bell notification and YouTube will let you know. Until next time, I'm Angie. Have a blessed day.